Okay, guys, so this is Walgreens again. We have $1.99 Bounty paper products, and yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. So check your fetch if you have this fetch offer. Spend 25, get 5,000 points on Bounty, and we have good promotion this week at Walgreens. So you will grab two of the Bounty for $6.99. If you buy two, you will receive $3 register reward. You will also grab four of the Bounty. The two equals the five doubles for $5.49. If you buy four, you will receive $5 register reward, and we have $1 digital coupon. So your card look like this. You need to have six Bounty. So you will have two of the 6.99 and four of the 5.49. Total for your transaction is $35.94, and we have $1 digital coupon. So you will pay 34.94. You can use Walgreens Cash Pay in this transaction. So you will pay $34.94, but then you will receive $3 register reward for buying two of the 6.99 and $5 register reward for buying four of the 5.49. You will also receive the $10 PNG register reward for spending 35 and submit your receipt on fetch for 5,000 points or $5 back, making this 6 bounty for just 11.94 or $1.99 each. So here's my receipt for that transaction. I rolled a $15 PNG register reward because it's not scanning and the manager entered it manually. That's why I receive another PNG. But if you use the PNG register reward in this transaction, you will not receive another one. So my total is 19.94. I only redeemed $10 Walgreens cash because that's the only Walgreens cash I have in this account. But if you have $20 Walgreens cash, you can use it. Then I receive the $18 register reward and submit my receipt on fetch. I receive 5,000 points or $5 back, making the transaction for just $11.94. So I did the deal twice because the limit on fetch is three, and for my second transaction, I rolled three $5 register reward. My total is 19.94. I redeemed $20 Walgreens cash in this transaction. Then I received the $18 register reward again and submit my receipt on fetch. In this transaction, I received 10,000 points, so making my second transaction for six bounty for just $6.94. I think that's an awesome price. Especially you can use Walgreens cash to pay. That's a really good deal on bounty. And if ever you need diapers, check your store because we have some clearance pampers. So this baby dry for number three is clearance for $18.99, and we have $5 store coupon, so making it for just $13.99. And yes, it's also part of PNG promotion. I also grabbed three of the Olay bar soap, $8 each. If you buy three, you will receive $5 register reward, and we have $7 on three digital coupon. And I pair it with Oral B, $10.50 for three. We have $5 on three digital coupon, and it's giving $5 register reward. For the Tampax, it's a clearance for 299, buy one get one 50%, and we have two of two digital coupon. So for the two Tampax is around $4.48, less $2 coupon. You will pay for just $2.48 for two. So total for this transaction, guys, is $57.97. So you can use the $10 store coupon from Beauty Event last week. So I use it because it's expiring, I think, on the second. So I use it in this transaction. So after the store coupon, my total still around 47, less of $5 store coupon for the Pampers. So my total is still $42. So yes, I will still receive the $10 PNG register reward for spending 35. If you will not use a $10 store coupon, you will receive is $15 PNG register reward for spending 50. Also in this transaction, I'm using spend 40, get $10 of Walgreens cash digital booster and pair it with my spend 35, get $8 of Walgreens cash paper booster. Also, we have a total of $14 digital coupon in this transaction. So after all the coupons, you'll pay $28.97, but then you will receive $18.41 of Walgreens cash for the paper booster and digital booster. You will also receive $5 register reward for Oral B, $5 register reward for Olay, and $10 PNG register reward for spending 35. So making all of this for just 50 cents for all. Yes, guys, 50 cents with a Pumpers box. I think that's a really awesome deal. If you don't have any paper booster, you're only using is the spend the 40 get 10 digital booster, you will pay for all of this for just $8.50. So here's my receipt for that transaction, guys. As you can see, that's the half price stamp packs and the clearance stamp packs for 2.99. The Pampers less $5 store coupon, the Oral B and the Olay. My points booster of spend 30 get 8 and my $10 store register reward. All my digital coupon came off and I also rolled some register reward to lower my out of pocket. So my total is $7.97. I use $5 gift card. Remember the Cotton's promotion last week? So I still have some gift card. So I use $5 gift card and pay $2.97 plus tax. Then I receive $18.42 of Walgreens cash for my booster. And also I received the $20 register reward. $5 for Olay, $5 for Oral-B, and $10 PNG registered reward. So yes, guys, that's all the stuff I grab at Walgreens today. My gosh, Walgreens is really good. The paper products, detergent, and if you need any Olay body wash or bar soap, even diapers, there's a lot of deals going on with PNG promotion. There's also a lot of deals going on at CVS, especially now we're receiving CRT. You will get the items very cheap or even free. I receive a lot of CRT on the cord that I don't receive anything. Before, it's just the same CRT every week. I think we never receive for a long time, for years and now we're receiving CRT again. So hopefully it will continue so we can get the deals at CVS are really good. And yes, guys, check your CVS if you have any CRT. That's everything I got for today, guys, for my complete Walgreens haul. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the notification down below so you will be notified once I have new video uploaded. Also, guys, if you're not subscribers yet, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any great deals at Walgreens, CVS, and other store that I do. Thank you all for watching and see you on the next one.